Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting both devices ready. Make sure the TCL TV and your phone are on the same Wi-Fi network, because screening requires them to communicate. Once done, open the TV settings and locate network or screen mirroring to enable the receiver. On your phone, pull down Quick Settings or Open Display Settings to turn on cast or screen mirroring. You may also enable Bluetooth for discovery. Do this now so the devices can find each other. It avoids delays later in the pairing process. Now you pick a connection method based on your phone. For Android, open Cast or Smart View, scan the list and tap the TCL TV name. The phone sends video and audio over Wi-Fi. For iPhone, open Control Center, tap AirPlay, and choose the TV. Apple's protocol preserves aspect ratio and audio sync. If you prefer wired, plug an HDMI adapter into your phone, insert the HDMI cable into the TV, and switch the TV input. Make sure to confirm any on-screen prompts on the TV to accept the connection. Finish by checking the TV displays your phone content correctly, rotate the phone to fix orientation, and set the TV aspect ratio to 16:9 if cropping occurs. If you notice lag or stutter, reduce other network traffic, restart the router, or switch to an HDMI connection for stable playback. If the TV does not appear on the device list, toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, reboot both devices, and confirm TV firmware and phone OS are updated. This single troubleshooting step, reboot and retry, solves most pairing failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.